where I have used many oils and all Ayurvedic and all, but the result is not there. Whatever oil I have used. My name is Venkatramana. I came from Andhra Pradesh, located near to Tirupati. My hair fall started around 5 to 6 years around, where I have used many oils and all Ayurvedic and all, but the result is not there. Whatever oil I have used, but I have tried to watch some different videos in YouTube and searching some clinics in Google, where I found some of the videos which are Telegu YouTubers did in YouTube regarding the Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic. He did the hair transplantation there, and the results and all he given couple of videos who already done in the hair transplantation here. So I also verified this and searched in the Google and saw the many reviews and all. Then I have decided to come Hairfree Hairgrow. Thank you for the Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic for completing my surgery. Basically, morning 9:30 a.m. I came here and went to Dr. Kiran. He has marked my hairline designs, how it will be surgery and how many grafts will require. He told 3,500 grafts are required to the complete surgery. After that, he had given some anesthesia to my hand for a couple of minutes after trimming to my head, and then we went to the operation theater, extracting the hair from the backside, and they have after extracted implanted in my bald area. Grafts are required, then again they have extracted and implanted into the wherever it is required. And completely they have given the suggestions once I reach home, what to do, how to do, and what is the precautions to be taken. Everything is explained and that is very nice. I am very thankful to their team and Kiran sir and Hairfree Hairgrow.